Hey, Josh the Balloon Guy here. Tonight I thought we would make some birds. I'm going to grab an orange, any random color will do, and I'm going to make a classic parrot. So we're going to start, give it a good stretch, and then inflate your balloon until you have just about a hand width. Okay, so see it's right at about a hand width. And we're going to go ahead and tie it off. Now, this one is a little bit interesting because what we're going to do here is we're going to take and we're going to make about a 1 finger bubble, and then we're going to stretch it down. It's going to make that head shape about 3 finger width. Twist it around, and then tuck the nozzle in just to lock it in place. Okay. So we actually have the head of our parrot, and then we're going to do the body. I'm going to give it a little squeeze here, and we're going to go really about 5 fingers, and then we're going to come back up and match it. Now for this next bubble, I actually want to go, I'm going to give it a little squeeze here, a little bit larger. And notice there's a gap in there. I want to go a little bit larger to give the bird some definition, some detail. And then we're going to see it's a little bit longer. And we're going to push that and roll it through. And that is called a bird body twist. Okay, because you're actually making a bird body. Any 3 bubbles where one is pushed through. Then we're going to do 2 small bubbles underneath there. Again, about 1 finger. And then we're going to twist them together. And then, here's a little tricky part, but we're going to twist them again on each other, basically making 2 pinch twists. Okay. Now, you can leave the tail long, but I like to go ahead and bring it back, twist it into the feet, and then find my longer balloon, make sure that it's facing away, and go ahead and give that tail a little bit of shape. And just like the monkey from the other day, we're going to go ahead and turn its feet. Just like the monkey from the other day, that will go right on a shoulder. Now, of course, I got to put it on my own shoulder. It's a little awkward. The only marker art I ever really do on these is 2 check marks for the eyes. Okay. And that's a check mark on each side, and then 2 nostrils. Very simple. But that gives you a good old classic parrot. Now, another bird that I've done, I'm going to show you, is a cardinal. Okay, so this time I'm going to grab a red. Not really going to walk you through it, but you'll get to see the process here. I've done this on my TikTok page before because I did it actually at a prom. And that was a really fun event. Notice similar, I did the bird body, okay? One difference here is I'm not giving it feet right there. I'm just doing a small pedal twist and then a pinch twist to lock it in place. I'm going to tear off the end of that because in order to really give this cardinal definition, I'm going to use a 160. And 160s. I didn't blow it up even halfway, or blow it up about halfway. All right, and just getting my beak built here. Again, not really walking you through the steps on this one, but I'm going to make, so I made the beak, I'm going to make the feet. Okay, simple pedal twists with a pinch twist in the middle. Figure out my biggest loop there. There we go. And about how long I want the feet to be. Not very long. The legs, excuse me. Not very long. Go ahead and pull all that off. And I'm still going to save that 160 one more time. So I'm going to do 2 large pinch twists. Tie those. And that will end up being the cardinal eyes. Get the head positioned around here and tie in that beak. And we have lots of cardinals out here. As a matter of fact, the junior college just down the road from us, their mascot is the cardinal. And they call it Cardinal Country for more than just the fact that their mascot is the cardinal. We actually do have a lot of cardinals out here. And fun fact, while the males are that bright red color that you see, the females are orange and brown. But there you have it, a parrot or a little cardinal. A couple of different birds you can make, and there's a whole lot more you can do even beyond that. So keep practicing, and I'll see you next time.